Alright, y'all, today we're going to be opening another eBay special, a Galaxy S10 Plus. It's supposed to be new, not brand new. Obviously, you can see the box already, see these spots and stuff. So, but let's open it up and see what we got. Some stuff in here. We'll check that out in a sec. So, it's come like in this weird pack. I guess let's check that out. That's cool. So in the box so far we have the AKG headphones, the charging cable, the ejection pin, and this you can hook it into the bottom of your phone, and then you can hook something like that. You could put an SD card in, so you don't have to switch out the SD card if you're just doing a quick data transfer or whatever. Came with a quick start guide. And then the phone came in this plastic sleeve. I'm pretty sure they don't come brand new like that, but let's see if she turns right on. Yep, nice. Back looks pretty nice. Not a scratch on it, so. Alright, so let's go ahead and skip all this. Skip. Just want to get to the main screen so I can show you guys how it comes. We're just going to see what software it comes with. So let's see, software info. This one comes with One UI version 4.0, Android 12. I'm pretty sure these came with Android 11. Google Play system update. Yeah, I don't know about these. I don't know about these eBay new phones. You know, there's no telling really what they've been through, or if they just have been used and then, you know, they put a new screen and back on it and sell it as new. But I wish there was a way to know. Maybe if you guys can leave a comment and let me know if there's a way to tell if these phones are brand new. But I mean, it looks pretty legit. Let's check the battery or device and battery care. So 20.6 gigs of system memory so far without anything installed. Comes with 8 gigs, and then the battery will progressively get better once it learns your patterns. Comes with these apps here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, I guess it's okay if you're trying to save money. I mean, you know, this is for a family member of mine, but I just wanted to show everybody what they were about. I think it was $275 or $270. So, you know, not bad comparing to new phone prices these days. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a quick short one, just to show you guys. See, that's the box it came in. It's supposed to be new. I mean, looks pretty rough, so I doubt it is, but you know, I guess that's what I get for buying off eBay. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.